Hello, this is Keith All. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could create a transparent and a watermark image using the Builderall Tools. Now, your first step is to create an image, and you could use any program that your photo editing program that you want. I already created one using Microsoft Paint, and all I did was create an image with some text on it. Now, your watermark could exist with your logo, your business logo, or a logo with text on it. However you want to create that watermark image, that will be your choice. But once you have that created, what you want to do is you come into Builderall and select Design over here on the left, and you want to click on Photo Studio. Once that loads up, what you want to do is either you want to create a separate folder, create a new folder basically by creating a new folder, or using an existing folder. I'm just going to use an existing folder, and I want to upload that image to this folder. So I click on Add Files and choose Files over here. Select the file that you want from your computer. Select Open. Choose Add. Click OK. And now what you want to do is you want to select the file that you want to work with. Your first step is to make it transparent. So I'm going to click on Edit. Actually, let's go back one. It's the other one. There. If you could see it on your end, there's like a white background to it. So basically, what you want to do is you want to remove that white background from your text. And in order to do that, to make that transparent, you have to come over here to the right and click on the tab called Background. And now, the way this tool works is you want to select the area on your image that you want to be transparent. So in this case, it's going to be this white background here. So I'm going to click anywhere on that. Okay, what it did was it removed that white rectangle background, and all you want to do is save it now. Okay, the changes were made. Click OK. And now you want to back up, select the folder, reopen that file. Now you want to save this file by right-clicking and saving it to your computer. Okay, now the next step is you want to place that watermark image onto another image. So let's go back one step over here. Now you want to select the image that you want to place the watermark image onto. So I'm going to click on Add Files, choose Files, and let's see if I can find it quickly. Here it is. Click Open, select Add. Okay, it was added. So what you want to do is click on OK. Now you want to edit this image. Click on Edit. And now what you want to do is you want to go to the tab up here on the right that says Watermark. You want to select your watermark image that we were just working with and created a transparent image out of that. Choose the file and it's this one here. Click open. And now you got this your watermark image, as you can see here. Now you have a number of different options. You could place this watermark image anywhere on this image by selecting any one of these options here. I'm just going to leave it on the center. You can even rotate it. Watch what happens. See what it did? It rotated it. Let's do this. There we go. However you want to design it, that's your choice. Now the opacity, maybe you don't want this completely overriding this image, so you want to make it a little bit more transparent to this image. So what you could do is test the numbers that you want. See how it lighten it up just a little bit? So for this purpose, I'm going to just leave it at that. And you could change the width of the watermark and the height of it. And then you could also change from proportional to stretching it. Now watch what happens. It stretches it just slightly from a vertical standpoint. I'm going to select that, OK. Again, you could change the width on it. See, it really made it really small. So I'm going to keep it back over here. I could change the height. Let's do this. See, the height of it makes it a lot bigger, as you can see. So there's a number of different options that you could create here. Now at this point, all you have to do is save it. Sorry for that a little coughing there, but I'm back right now. So I'm going to click on OK. Okay. Now the image is saved, and all you have to do is right click on it, save it to your computer. And that's all you have to do to create your transparent and watermark image using the Builderall Tools. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this short little tutorial. Stop by often, subscribe to my channel, because I always make tutorials on how you could become more efficient using the Builderall Tools and many other things. Subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified that a new video is ready for you to view. Thanks again, and you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.